Vanshika Jangam. Today I am here to show you a Triivya, a full stack e-commerce application designed to look modern and run smoothly. I built this project using a decoupled MERN stack. The frontend is built using Next.js and React, while Backend is an independent REST API built with Express and MongoDB. Let's look how the client side handle user interaction. For user interaction, I used Tailwind CSS along with ShadCN UI component to create a clean responsive design. I used Framer Motion for micro animation that makes site feel more interactive. To optimize performance and data fetching, I implemented TanStack React Query. Instead of hitting the database every time a user navigates between product, React Query caches the data locally into the browser. This keeps the user experience instant and keeps server bill low. Next, let's look at the admin dashboard, which controls the shop catalog. I built a complete CRUD interface here to give shop owner total control over the product management, where a admin can add, edit or delete an item. The frontend dispatch and authorize requests to our backend. This immediately changes the data in our MongoDB database, which instantly update across entire site for regular customer. This panel is secure and restricted to admin account. On the backend, I organized Express server using a modular routing system to keep the code highly scalable, maintainable. For user security, I implemented JSON Web Token for safe session management. I also integrated Razorpay API to handle end-to-end secure transaction and to manage automated delivery tracking. All cross-origin traffic is handled through strict course policies to ensure only authorized deployment can communicate with database. Building Triivya taught me how to bridge complex front-end interface with highly secure back-end routing logic. I am ready to bring this full-stack engineering mindset to a development team as an intern. Thank you for your time and let's connect.